Got some mango high, choose a bag of chips. Rolling through the city and we hide behind the tents in the Benz.
What is up, guys? Flocky Missiles here. In today's video, we're going to Angel Stadium for a Nitto tire drift event, something like that. But I'm super excited to go there because Chelsea Adolph is going to be there, Adam LZ is going to be there, Vaughn Gittin Jr., a bunch of really good drivers going to be there drifting around. So it'll be awesome to see that. And I figured, hey, I might as well take the 350Z. I've never actually driven this thing other than taking it to get it smogged and taken to the DMV to get like all the registration and stuff taken care of. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw a plate on it because you see there's no plate on it. Also, that's the plates I got, they're pretty sweet. Also, one of the tires is low on some air and I'll probably hose it off because I cannot see. But I'm gonna have to ride with the windows down because all the exhaust comes in the back of the car right now and it's not fun, I don't wanna die. But let's get this thing somewhat ready to go and we'll head over to Anaheim.
Ghosted at the corner store. Ghosted at the corner store. Ghosted at the corner store. Posted at the corner store. Okay, 2 a.m. I'm posted. Fall in my gym sport. Moving the youth I run with my treat your block like a dance floor. Finesse ran out the landlord. Mama said pull your pants up. Bending corners and scrape.
Okay, so if all the lugs checked, got some more air in the tires, washed this thing off, got my plate installed. We are ready to rock. So on our way to Angel Stadium, first real drive in the 350Z. Okay, we're on the 91 freeway and we're actually going, oh, we can stop it again. We're actually going like 20 miles an hour for a while, so that was really good because if you guys don't know about the California 91, it's usually a stop like it is right now. I'm actually getting 23 miles per gallon, which is pretty awesome, I think, for 350Z from what I've heard. So that's cool. No problems, no issues with the car, except for a little bit of exhaust coming in the car, but other than that, smooth sailing. We should be there in about 10 minutes. This piece made it. Sorry for the wind, it's really windy out here, but there's a bunch of cool cars. There's a black Supra right there next to an FRS, but check out the wing on this STI. This wing looks crazy. If you guys know what style wing this is, comment down below. A bunch of Suppies over there as well. But there's the entrance to the event, so we are about to head in. And I just made it inside, it's really loud because all the music. Look at that Lambo going by. But something much cooler is right here. Check out this BMW with some super wide body on it. There's a bunch of rad cars here. There's a Datsun over there. A couple RX-7s I see down there. Let's go take a look at those. 3 FDs all right next to each other. This one has such a tiny battery on it. Look at the size of that battery. All polished, like everything, even the alternator. This one's super clean. This black one right here is probably my favorite though. It looks so sick. Really cool wheel option. Yeah, that's definitely my favorite one right there. Those ones are a little, I don't know. That one's definitely too racy. Here's a FCRX7. Look at that wheel fitment. He's got rubber. He's got caked up rubber right there. Yeah, crazy fitment. Glitter in the engine bay, and it's still rotary, so that's rad. Oh my gosh, this thing is so cute. Check out this Fiat 500. It's got an intercooler hanging out the front right there. It's got some really aggressive tires and some really aggressive fitment. It's offset's crazy. Cage, you just got one seat in there. This thing probably weighs less than, I don't know, 2,000 pounds. Well, easily, I think less than 2,000 pounds. But yeah, it's a full-blown race car. Pretty cool for a little Fiat. This one's for Randy. Check out the engine bay on this Chrysler 300. It's all polished and chromed out. Looks all insane. Of course, the lifted Subarus are really trendy right now. So you got the Subarus with tents on top of them and whatnot. And rock lights, all kinds of crazy stuff. This is a pretty cool theme for this FRS or BRZ, whatever it is. It's got shark teeth. It's got a sign even. Each closed through the shark. People in the Scion XB over here are making way too much noise. You're really about the Jeep life. Chase truck with a little Jeep in the back. This thing's so cute if you have a kid. I'm sure they'd love that. But yeah, really beefy looking chase truck. But what do you guys think about it? I think it looks pretty corny with a carbon fiber hood on it. I would have left it stock. I don't know if maybe that could be stock, who knows? I don't know enough about Lamborghinis. But Lambos, like some RSs and some other stuff. These clutch wheels on this Fiat make it look cool. I like it a lot. There's Adam LZ right there, but there's like a huge line to meet him, so not down to wait in that. So I'm just walking right now looking at all the other cars, and I can't wait to see these guys drift actually. the Hoonigan Garage channel, they built this golf cart here. It has a 2-stroke snowmobile motor in it, next to Shark Car, which is a Miata. It's been all done up. It's all caged. They took, you know, a bunch of weight off of it. It's pretty cool seeing these things in real life because you watch them get built on the internet and then you finally see them. So that's really rad. This actually looks way cooler in person. It's super small. Really clean 86. Bunch of stickers on it though, but still really clean. Okay, here's our R34 Skyline. I think it's R43, might be R33, you guys can correct me. But all these Skylines here. Here's an R32 and it looks like it's stock height even. Looks almost completely stock, that's pretty cool. GTR. Wow. Really crazy to see one of these. Beautiful Skyline. Next to another Skyline. Rear ends look insane on these things. A stanced Audi R8, that actually looks really cool. Next to a Z and a really done up Porsche. Air-cooled engine, all leather wrap. Oh, excuse me. It's got brass all over it too, or copper, I don't know what that is. Cool looking Porsche for sure though. Check out the wing on this thing too. Oh my gosh, this car is nuts. This thing is so gangster. So Japanese. Got engine bay. It's another Skyline. The line to meet Adam LZ. Decent looking GTR right now. This kid's really impressed by it, so that's cool. There's a guy in the background rapping, freestyle rapping. It's getting really wild out here. Oh my VIP, look at this Lexus. It's got little places to put your food and your drinks and little trays and whatnot. Super VIP Lexus. That's cool. The new Miata really does look good in white. But I'm gonna be taking off, I'm gonna be heading back home. It is just too hot here and I cannot stand waiting around. So I'm taking off. It was a really cool show though, lots of really interesting cars. A lot of them already seen. If you come to a lot of shows in California, you get to start seeing the same cars over and over and over again. But I still had a great time, so let's head home. Okay, I just made it home. The 350Z did great all the way home. It does need a few little things, some work here and there. Let me know if you guys want me to start working on other things soon. I've kind of been putting it off a little bit, but I think I'm going to go ahead and jump on that pretty soon. Anyways, thank you for watching this week's video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more car content. Thank you so much for watching.